So today I'm going to show you some basic operational rules in mathematics and an easy way to memorize it so it will be faster for you to solve questions with. Let's go ahead. Okay, so we have plus times plus, plus times minus, minus times plus, minus times minus, and so forth. All right, now, so we'll be connecting the word plus as friend and the word minus as enemy. So this is how we do it. Plus times plus means the friend of my friend, and the friend of your friend is your friend. That's simple. Plus times minus, the friend of my enemy is my enemy. Minus times plus, the enemy of my friend is my enemy, because the enemy of your friend is also your enemy. Minus times minus, the enemy of my enemy is my friend. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. Because if this person is the enemy to my own enemy, therefore that person will become my friend. That is a simple way we use in memorizing this. The same thing also happens here in the division side. Plus divided by plus is plus. Friend of my friend is my friend. Plus divided by minus is minus. Minus divided by plus is minus. And minus divided by minus is plus. So this is a simple way to memorize this. So if we are given some simple questions such as 2 times 2, we know that when there is no sign in front of them, they are plus. And therefore, the answer will simply be 4. Remember that we don't write the positive sign in front. But in a scenario where this is 2 and this is minus 2, so you know there is a plus in front here. So now plus times minus is minus, because the friend of my enemy is my enemy. Therefore, this becomes minus 4. In a situation where it becomes the other way around, and this is minus 2 times this. Also, the same thing occurs. Minus 2 times, you know that these two standing, there's always a positive sign when there is no any sign in front of it. So minus times plus also becomes minus. And in a scenario where both of them are now having minus, minus times minus, the enemy of my enemy becomes my friend. So you don't need to write a plus in front of it. So that is the same thing that is also applicable in the division aspect. One example for division is 4 divided by 2. The friend of my friend, the answer will always be my friend. Now, if we should have a minus here, minus 4 divided by 2. Remember there is a secret plus in front of this. So minus 4 divided by 2. The enemy of my friend is my enemy. So there will always be a minus sign here, so forth and so on. So can you attempt this? What will be minus 4 divided by minus 2? I want the answer in the comments. See you. Bye.